What's up, everyone? It is November 15th, and where are we?
Disneyland Resort in Anaheim, California.
We are at Disneyland, and it is the start of the holidays here at Disneyland today. But we are here today to check out
Tiana's Bayou Adventure, opening day.
Yeah, so we're going to go in, check out Tiana's Bayou Adventure, see what that has, all the new things have opened up, some of the merchandise, so everything should be brand new. It has had a soft opening for the last couple weeks.
Yeah, with Magic Key preview.
Today is officially the opening day. So we're going to head in, check it out, ride the ride, see if we can ride the ride. It does have a queue for it, so
yeah, virtual queue.
Virtual queue. So we're going to try all that, see if we get lucky. We're going to head in, check out the merchandise, check out just the whole, I'm assuming it's going to be very busy. So we're going to head inside and go check it out. We made it in and made it to Critter Country. So you saw the video of Tiana's Bayou Adventure from the outside.
Yep.
Looks amazing. We are right now out around the shops by Tiana's. We're gonna bring some of that to you. We were planning on going on the ride today because they had a virtual queue at 4, but then we started thinking about it and we're like, if we do get on the virtual queue, it's probably going to be late, and we're probably going to get really wet.
Yes.
So, in the spirit of we have to be here late tonight, we are going to get on it tomorrow, but with the magic of video, that's going to be real quick for you guys, because you guys are going to see it like right after this, right after we get done showing you some of the merchandise here at the shops.
Yeah, and tomorrow we're going to try to get on the virtual queue at 7 a.m. Another option is using the Lightning Lane multi-pass, but you have to make the reservation early. Today they sold out all the way through the day and by like 9 a.m. almost. So you really got to get on that right away in the morning, and then we'll try, if we don't get that, we'll try the virtual queue at 12.
Then we're going to see how wet we get, because
yeah.
I mean, we've been on Splash Mountain like a bunch before. You got wet, but it was nothing like, you know, you just lived with it. This one looked a little bit more. We'll see if they dialed it back or if the water's still high.
Yeah.
Well, we see a bunch of people with ponchos on and saying you better get a poncho. So
yes, I will be bringing a change of clothes just in case.
Yeah, same here. But for right now, let's head into the shops and see what we can find. We are about to head into Lewis's Critter Club. Wow, look at this, guys. This looks amazing. So cool. Then they got instruments up on the wall. The ceiling is just, I mean, talk about the theming. Holy smokes. Yeah, there's a lot to see in there. Carved critters, little cubbies, and just stuff everywhere. So we're going to walk around and take a look and see what we can see. Here we have Mama Odie's chair, and then if you look down here, you see Juju just hanging out, taking a nap. Then we have a wall of these Cuddlies plushes. Look at these. Dude, these are so soft. Beep. Yeah, very soft. Oh. Then the price of these guys is $44.99. Then over here we have a shirt, a sweatshirt, and then we have a Spirit jersey as well. Right here. Show the back. Whoop. It's a joyful celebration. Yeah, it has all the instruments on the sleeve. That's pretty cool. And the shirt was $39.99. The sweatshirt was $69.99. And the Spirit jersey is $84.99. And it is glow in the dark. Yeah, glow in the dark right there. And this is the new headband we have right here. And they light up. Woo! Cool. Yeah, those are pretty sweet. Okay, guys, these are pretty cool. So this is Ray, a wearable interactive firefly. So what that means is it's like a shoulder pal that you can have, but it's also its own display that you can just house it and keep and display it somewhere else. But if you look down here, it kind of gives you a good idea of both versions of what they look like. Right there. But how cool is that? This is like one of the hottest items here right now, and it's $31.99. Then of course it wouldn't be a proper launch of a new product at Disneyland if you didn't have a Loungefly. So there we go, there's the Loungefly, Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Take a look inside at some of the patterns. That's pretty cool. Yeah, neat. And how much is that Loungefly? So that's $79.99, guys. And there are a lot of items for kids as well. So you can see this jumper here. Got a drum set. That's cool. Then we have some more plushies available of all your favorite characters. And then they have a Tiana doll as well. And of course, you're gonna have pens. It wouldn't be Disney without pens. So, and if you're curious if Tiana's Bayou Adventure had special pens, of course Disney wouldn't have it without any pens. So there are 2 different pens available. There may be more. This is just what we see as of right now. So that was Lewis's Critter Club. Pretty cool in there, right? That looked really neat.
Yeah, totally neat. The decor is amazing. You really feel like you're in it with all the critters and stuff, and the ceiling, the lights. It was really cool.
And that was just a sampling of what they have. They have a lot more stuff in there, but you saw a pretty decent amount. And now we're heading over to Ray's Berets. Yep. We're going to check out, see what they have in store for us at Ray's Berets. So with the name Ray's Berets, lo and behold, it's mostly hats, like berets, right? But hats. But the one thing I did notice when I walked in, I saw this big mural of Ray right here over the fireplace. But then look, they made his little home right here. So that's Ray's little home. And it says, Jar, Sweet Jar. So like I said, there's mostly just hats in here, and it's nothing like specifically hat themed for Tiana's. It's just a lot of generic like Disney hats they'll have other places in the park. But one reason just to walk in here is the theming inside as well. Other than what I just showed you with Ray and the fireplace, again, the ceiling looks amazing. But if you look over here at this window, how cool is this, guys? Look at that. But yeah, it goes all the way over into this window here. But yeah, this window is so cool. Just watch what happens here, guys. It's really neat. So he spells Raymond, then you see Evangeline pop up in the sky. And he puts heart around Evangeline, and then there he is. They're together. So how fun was that? That was pretty cool.
That was so cool. I love the theming. They did such a good job with the theming for both shops.
Yeah, if anything, just walk in the shops if you like looking at cool things and for theming.
Yeah, seeing that Disney magic.
Yeah, that was great. And they, of course, if you're not looking for hats, there's not going to be anything too interesting in there for you. But just take 2 minutes to walk through there and look around and see like the incredible job they did. Because that was just phenomenal. With movie magic, we are back. Tiana's the next day. We came prepared. Shorts, sandals. Yeah, so we came prepared today, and we are gonna get in line. We have a virtual queue. We have, it already was called, but you have up to an hour after. So we're gonna hop in line, and we're gonna experience the ride for our first time and then see how wet we actually get. So
You'll see afterwards.
yeah, you'll see
You'll be
afterwards.
as surprised as we will be.
And we'll bring you along for part of the way. We'll be filming this with our iPhones, just for sake of not knowing how wet my normal camera would get. So bear with us on that one. Actually, will look really good with iPhones. But.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna head on in.
Look at all these beautiful faces. Let's join Lewis up ahead and find some musicians for our house.
Any bands down here? Come out, wherever you are!
If you're looking for musicians, you don't have far to go. Tell the people not to know you so. Time to think big. Time to think tiny, tiny.
Oh, y'all got itty bitty little buddies.
But you found the sound. That was great.
Choo-choo said it's time I get you back to China. But invite your little friends to tag along too. Now let's get you to the party. You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed. Yeah. Hang on, y'all. Ooh, it's gonna be good. What a band! Look at this boat filled with beautiful people. And you're beautiful. And you're beautiful. And y'all will have a good time.
We just got off of Tiana's Bayou Adventure, and surprise, our ponchos that we brought were only like they're shirts,
They were crop tops.
like poncho crop tops. So
I
we're
don't recommend buying ponchos at the Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
Sorry, Dollar Tree, I love you, but no on that one.
but we really didn't need them that much.
Caught my hair dry.
Yeah, I only got my shorts only got a little wet in my feet, so they
My
might
boat is wet.
either like we didn't have enough weight in our like log to create that big of a splashback wave, or they just dialed it down because I literally My shorts are almost dry right now.
My butt's still wet.
So yeah. So I guess it depends on what seat you sit in. That we're in seats 2 and 3, but it really wasn't. I mean, like poncho worthy in those seats for this time. But
Other than that, the ride was pretty
yeah,
darn cool.
the ride was cool. We showed you some video of it. We just took snippets along the way.
The
Now,
animatronics were awesome.
yeah, and I'm gonna film the whole ride here soon. I know I can bring like my camera equipment on it, and it won't be that bad. Watch it's really bad next time. But I just didn't want to do that originally, just to not chance it from some of the videos we've seen. But again, like we were saying, maybe it was we didn't have enough weight in the log or something like that. But I don't know. What did you think about it?
I think, Tip, you should just be prepared for anything with
Yeah.
this because you never know.
I mean,
But
obviously
I
a poncho's light and you could bring it and it's no big deal. But
thought the ride was awesome.
Yeah.
I mean, it's if you've seen Disney World, it's very similar. Their ride queue was a little bit more detailed.
yeah, Disney World's ride queue is a little bit.
But we had a lot
better
of the same
themed.
like unique things in there. We had some of the highlights that they had, so it was still really neat and detailed, like a ton of the details from the movie and the story and the backstory.
So yeah, it was a great ride and a good addition and a good upgrade. So that was pretty much it for us for our Tiana's adventure. Oh, you did get a pin yesterday.
Yeah, I got the Magic Key Tiana's pin, and it's really cool because it has Tiana, the whole mountain, and then a log rolling down the chute. So it's really kind of detailed and unique. So I thought that'd be a good little memory from today.
So they had 4 different pins available, I believe, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 different ones. If you're looking, pin collector or like pins. If you're at Disneyland, they had a pop-up store at the Starcade. Yeah, the Starcade. Yeah, in Tomorrowland. So
I don't know how long they'll have that. They just had it opening day.
yeah, it might be opening day or opening weekend. But if you're here and it's still up, you probably won't be here by the time you see this video for opening weekend. So anyways, at least you know they do that. But yeah, so that's gonna do it for us for this video. So life moves pretty fast.
Take 'em out.